Hi, what's up guys, welcome back to this channel. This video shows you step by step how to insert a SIM card into an Android phone. So let's get started. First step, find the SIM card tray. It's often located in the left side edge of the phone with a little hole. Next step, prepare your SIM ejection tool. If you don't have the SIM ejector, you can try it with a paperclip. Don't choose the safety pin since it might cause damage to the SIM card trace lock. Now, pin the SIM ejector tool into the small little hole. Then, the tray starts to slide out. Next step is to put the SIM card into the tray, and here are some notices. As for dual Nano hybrid SIM card tray, you can put SIM 1 into the tray number 1, and in the tray number 2, you can either opt out for another SIM card number 2, or you can put your SD memory card in. Follow the corner design of the SIM to fit it into the designed corner of the tray. The SIM can't be inserted in the Android phone if your SIM is wrongly put into the tray. Last step here is to slightly slide the tray with all the SIM cards or SD card into the Android phone. One more notice here, many new Android phones might come with dual SIM and hybrid Nano SIM card tray. If your SIM card is not a Nano SIM yet, then you might want to contact your telecom carrier to convert it into a Nano SIM, or you might consider to get an Android phone without the Nano SIM card tray. That's it for today's video guys. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos later on. Bye for now.